I just wanna get to know myself before my time comes to an end. If it's possible, maybe share my life with a friend. Never had nobody love me for the person that I am. I admit that my mistakes have helped me turn into a man, and I'm still searching for a plan. Fate's taking me for a ride. Don't know quite where I'm going, but destiny's by my side. And y'all, regret is nowhere to be seen. My reality's a fantasy, man, I'm living my dreams. If today was my last day, I would write a song and let you know that I thank you from the bottom of my soul. You saved my life, I could've been gone a while ago. Hope my enemies realize what I was standing for. I swear on my life that I'm spitting the truth. I make mistakes, I'm a human, I'm no different than you, yo. And I just wanna thank the fans for your support. Every time I quit the game, y'all helped me back onto the court and told me keep going, keep moving. So in return, I put my fucking life into this music. And I just pray that it helps you like y'all help me. Even if it's only one person and no one else sees. Thou who hasn't sinned may punish me for my sins. So before you point at me, you better look deep within your own past. They always said I won't last, but I never surrounded myself, I cast with no class. Everyone in my circle showed me a part of me, helped me change for the better, and soon you'll probably see that any situation you can learn from. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, like your first love. And I was always taught to wait until my turn comes. Now that it's here and I'm getting what I deserve, I just wish I could go back in the time and how it first was. I never really fully understood the word